Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show to you how to boost your post on Instagram. So the first step is to simply switch from a personal account to a professional account. And in order to do that, you have to simply open Instagram and then simply tap on these three horizontal lines in the top right corner and then simply go to settings and privacy. Then you'll have to simply scroll down and then go to account type and tools. Then here you'll have to simply tap on the switch to professional account and then simply tap on continue, and then here you can choose any of these options based on your account. I'm gonna go with the digital creator. Now here you can simply go with creator, but if you have a business you can choose that. Then simply tap on next. Then I'm gonna disable promotional emails because I don't want them, and then simply go back to your account and then choose the post that you want to boost. And as you can see, you're gonna have a boost post button, as you can see right here, and basically that's all you have to do in order to boost your post. Simply tap on this blue button and that's all. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.